The Ant and the Grasshopper. Once upon a time in a sunny meadow, there lived two friends, the ant and the grasshopper. The ant was a hardworking insect. She liked to collect tiny grains of food and save them for the future. The grasshopper, on the other hand, was a carefree bug. He loved to sing and play all day long, without a care in the world. As the days passed, the warm sun began to change into cold winds, and the green meadow turned into a snowy white wonderland. The grasshopper soon realized that he had nothing to eat and was freezing in the chilly weather. The grasshopper decided to visit his friend, the ant. He knocked on her tiny door.
Hello, dear friend. Come inside where it's warm.
The ant welcomed the shivering grasshopper inside her cozy home.
I'm so hungry, and I'm freezing. Do you have any food to spare, my friend?
Of course, I'll share some food with you.
The ant shared some of her food with the hungry grasshopper, but she also had some advice to share. The grasshopper realized his mistake and learned a valuable lesson. From that day on, the grasshopper worked alongside the ant during the warm months, helping her gather and store food for the winter. They became good friends and lived happily ever after, knowing the importance of being responsible and prepared for the future. And so, the story of the ant and the grasshopper teaches us that it's important to work hard and plan for the future, so we can enjoy the rewards when times get tough.